Hi, my name is Gabriella Clairval, and I'm 23 and I'm from Seattle, Washington. Outside of my free time, I really love playing tennis. I've been playing it since I've been young. A second thing I really love doing is hiking. Being outside in nature as I am right now is just something that truly makes me happy, whether I am hiking or whether I'm just outside in my backyard. And the third thing that I really like is I love learning languages. Xin chào is Vietnamese for hello. 我叫知音，我在中国出生，然后我1岁我搬到美国。Basically, what I said there is I am Zhiyin. Zhiyin is my Chinese name, and I am from China. Well, I was born in China, and then I moved to America when I was 1 year old. Ang aking mga magulang ay Filipino. This means that my parents are Filipino. So I was raised in a Filipino household. So a lot of different cultures growing up, and I did have people in my family who are also Vietnamese. So having that mix of culture, being Chinese, also Vietnamese, and Filipino, has kind of been an awesome experience. I'm very interested in the volunteers in Asia. My approach to service is a little bit different than other people. First would be privilege. I think that recognizing your own privilege and your own positionality in the world is something that I've learned through my capstone and through my public health courses to approach service learning in a more critical lens. I think the second is really understanding the barriers, going deeper and really trying to understand, why are people in the situations that they are now, and not blaming them, but really looking at the system as a whole and what are the flaws in the system that make homelessness the way it is now, and how can we use social change and look at the social issues to really make a better, bigger, and more long-lasting impact on the communities that we serve. And the third is, redistributing power. I think power is a huge thing that kind of creeps in, especially when we do service. So being able to kind of redistribute that power by recognizing your privilege, recognizing your positionality in the world, and where you stand, as well as knowing that you have a lot to learn from the communities that you serve, and they also have things hopefully to learn a little bit from you. So it's kind of an exchange as well, and it fosters better cultural understanding, which is why I'm super interested in the Volunteers in Asia program. I love working with Asian communities as a patient navigator at the International Community Health Services Clinic in Seattle, Washington, helping underserved communities have access to resources and helping them navigate the barriers within the healthcare system. And then the second would be working with the National Asian Pacific Center on Aging, helping to educate them on how to combat anti-Asian hate crimes, because that is a true thing. Unfortunately, especially during the pandemic, being able to show them how to call and make sure that it's reported, because I think the numbers are definitely underreported. I do want to say thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoy reading my application.